Attention to old SMAC and SMAC Prestige members! This is your last chance to complete your Christmas gift list at the SMAC-tastic Home Sale happening only this December 18.
Mga ka-Nose, musta? I'm Drinking Nose, your Ilonggo vlogger.
Come shop with me here at SM Home. Enjoy up to 50% off on fabulous home finds from Christmas decorations, affordable na, with wide selections of these cute and light pastel candy themed decorations,
Or build your own Christmas village.
these eye-catching items will surely excite you for its lively and festive approach. Something red ba? Ako bahala sa'yo. Marami dito, discounted pa, and more choices. Kahit anong motif ng Christmas mo, meron lahat dito. Kahit Christmas tree, meron 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet. Christmas mugs is also available for gifts o pangregalo. Something big, fluffy, and soft? Main mo na yan kay Santa, Snowman, and sa collect them all. Para sa big and huggable pillows, imain mo na yan. Para sa mahiling mag-travel, neck pillows is the best option. Deserve nila mabigyan ng quality items, kaya i-add to cart na yan.
Plus, get an extra 10% off when you spend 3,000 or more. Most especially sa linen area. Kaya grab these exclusive deals by SM Home.
Grabe no? Parang buy one take one discounts.
Kaya check na check sa big savings. Kaya pa-member na for SMAC or Prestige to avail for these amazing perks and benefits.
But wait, there's more! Para sa naghanap ng Christmas bundle, syempre, meron din yung SM Home para kay mother o sa mga titas.
Kaya don't miss this one-day sale event on December 18. They've got it all for your home at SM Home. Shop anytime, anywhere as a personal shopper or in-store.
Thank you for watching. This is Drinking Nose. Kita kits. Bye!